Welcome to Cars45 Dealer Management System. This is a tutorial to guide you on how to use the Dealer Management app. Go to https://buy.cars45.com/dealer. Once the page loads, input your dealer login. This is your username and password, and then click login. Your dashboard will load showing basic statistics: number of cars available, number of cars sold, and the number of views of your inventory from the marketplace. The dashboard area will also show your recently sold cars, and to the right you will see a snapshot of your weekly invoices. Click on the inventory menu on the left navigation bar to see the full list of your inventory. You will be able to filter using different parameters like car make, model, year, and even the lot number of the car. In the table, you'll be able to view the details of the car by clicking on the pencil icon. This will load the detail page of the car. The General tab shows the basic information of the car. Clicking on Data reveals more information about the car, and then the Image tab shows all the images associated with the car. You can remove or upload new images of a car by clicking on the plus or the minus buttons, as the case may be. Clicking on the Invoices navigation bar will display all the invoices generated for your cars. You can download previously generated invoice from here. Remember that when you generate an invoice, the car is marked as sold on the marketplace and your sold count on the dashboard increases. Let us go through how to generate an invoice. Click on the inventory menu and filter for the car that is being sold using the filter box at the right section of the screen. Once you have located the car whose invoice is to be generated, click on Generate Invoice icon. This will open a page to enter the details that will be used to generate the invoice. You can therefore edit the sold amount. You will enter the customer name, email, and mobile phone as required. If there are other services that the customer is purchasing, you should tick them under the Select Services section. This will add those services to the invoice when it is generated. You should also choose the tax type that should be applied to the invoice. Choose Inclusive if the amount the customer is paying includes the tax. Choose Exclusive if the tax amount should be calculated from the car sold amount. In this case, an additional tax item will be added to the invoice. Click on the Save icon at the top right of the screen to generate the invoice. This will also prompt you for download. Now let us see a preview of an invoice. That will be all for now. If you have any questions, kindly reach out to us via email franchise@cars45.com.